In this video, let me show you how to open a SCB Easy app account in Thailand. Now, in order to do this, make sure you download the SCB Easy application on your device first of all. And once the application has been downloaded, you'll come across a similar screen. Now, in this screen, you'll see the option which says, "Are you a SCB customer?" If you are, you can simply tap on yes. If no, you can simply tap on no, depending upon your case. And it is going to ask you to open up an account. Simply tap on open account. Now, in the first step, you'll need to fill in your information, which is your first name, your email, and the phone number, which is a Thai registered phone number. Now, before you can begin the process of creating your account, make sure that you have your national ID with you, or a valid passport, or a visa documentation if you are a foreigner. So, depending upon your case, in the next step, you'll need to either add in your national ID or your passport, and then just complete the identity verification, which is the video verification that the application does in order to match the ID with your face. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.